The following video will show a short demonstration of a delivered operator training simulator or OTS. This OTS was developed using VPLink software system. It uses a Rockwell Automation Control System and Human-Machine Interface or HMI. VPLink works with all major control systems and has been applied in various industries including oil and gas, chemical and petrochemical, nuclear, power generation, food and beverage, mining and minerals, pharmaceuticals, and many more. For this OTS demo, there are 4 key components to consider: the instructor interface, the trainee interface, the fit-for-purpose process model, and lastly the control system model. The screen you can see in front of you shows the trainee interface. This is an exact copy of the HMI used in the real facility. All the transmitter values on the screen are produced by the VPLink process model. In this particular screen, the waste incineration, steam generation and electricity production are being modeled. VPLink communicates with the input and output layer of a copy of the control system. This in turn provides the data for the HMI. To the trainee, the HMI appears exactly the same as it does on the live control system in the real facility. They can become familiar with navigating between screens. They gain an understanding of plant operation, as well as practice operating the facility by executing standard operating procedures or operations not safe to practice or execute on the real facility. The instructor interface is provided by VPLink simulation software. From this portal, the instructor can interact with the simulation. They can view the status of individual process areas. They introduce process upsets or saving and loading scenarios or snapshots. The interface is custom built to client specifications to make it easy to use and intuitive. This often includes replication of some important HMI screens to allow viewing of the model in a setting the instructor will be familiar with. Detailed information on the underlying model is available to the instructor. This screen shows the discretized moving great combustion model used to simulate waste incineration. Pre-configured and ad hoc training scenarios can be implemented from the instructor interface. From this area the instructor can direct scenario-based training for users. For example, in this case, the user is training on the failure of an important ventilation fan in the flue gas system. Switching back to the trainee interface. The user can now see a fan has failed in the bottom right of the screen. This will lead to chain reaction of alarms and events that the trainee must respond to while the instructor assesses their response. This OTS included modeling of both power supply and power generation. The instructor can interact directly with simulation tags and manually set their value. In this case, the training involves cutting power supply to part of the facility. The trainee then must respond. Practicing the loss of power is not possible in the real facility without disrupting operations. However, the procedure can be safely practiced in the OTS. This trains the operators how to handle such an eventuality at the real facility. From the instructor interface, the instructor has the ability to pause, resume, save and restore the process state. This makes it simple and easy to move the system back to a normal running state, or a particular state required for training, for example startup conditions. For the demo, we can see the instructor pause the simulation. They then load a snapshot of all systems running normally. Once restored, the instructor presses run and the system carries on from the restored plant condition. In the demo, we return to the trainee interface. The user can set the system back to a normal running state from which the trainee can do a different procedure. They can repeat the same scenario or allow a different trainee to take their turn. Thank you very much for watching our demo on VPLink. To find out more about VPLink and other solutions that we offer, please visit us on the web. We look forward to the opportunity to help. Stay safe, and have a good day.